In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or enter into debugging mode on your HP desktop, laptop, or tablet device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, select the power icon, and then hold down the shift key on your keyboard and select restart, again while holding down the shift key. On this page, select Troubleshoot, reset your PC, or see Advanced Options, and then select Advanced Options. Select where it says Startup Settings, change Windows Startup Behavior, and then select the Restart button in the bottom corner here. And now you can tap the F1 or Function 1 key to enable or enter into debugging mode, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.